Hi explorers, today we'll fix run-on sentences to make them grammatically correct. So let's get started. I love coffee, I drink it every morning. The correct sentence is I love coffee and I drink it every morning. Adding a conjunction like and or separating the sentences with a period avoids the run-on. Next one I have for you. She enjoys cooking. She doesn't like cleaning. The correct sentence is she enjoys cooking but she doesn't like cleaning. Using a coordinating conjunction like but improves the flow and correctness. Next one I have for you. They left early. It was raining heavily. The correct form of the sentence will be they left early because it was raining heavily. Adding because connects the two ideas logically and fixes the run on. Breaking or connecting run on sentences correctly makes your English sound polished. Keep practicing and see you in my next episode.